YouTube? What's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Want to give you guys a real quick price update on TurboCoin. But before we dive into that, guys, I just have to let you guys know that one, I'm not a financial advisor. Two, this is not financial advice. You got to go out and do your own research, guys. Don't ever buy something that you see off of YouTube. As a matter of fact, I'll just tell you right now, don't ever buy anything that you see on my videos either. How about that? But without further ado, guys, we do got to dive into some coins today because I'm a little behind schedule. But we are going to I'm going to post 4 or 5 coins that I'm looking at today very strongly. So again, make sure you're tapped in. But before we dive into Turbo, I do want to talk about the market too, because the market is printing right now. As you guys can see, Bitcoin was just a minute ago over 98K and now coming in at 97,000. Starting to see some positivity in this market, and that's what we've been waiting for, guys. You guys could see also Fear Greed Index starting to tick up too, right? We were coming in at a 45 and now we're coming in at a 57, right? So are we going to start seeing a little more pump, right? Can Bitcoin break above 100K again, or is this going to be a rejection? A lot of people are, feeling some kind of way, right? But at the same time, I feel good about it. I feel like if you look on this, let's see right here. Look on the 7-day chart, we got a nice cup and handle playing out. I think on this 1-day chart, we'll probably create something like a bull flag, I'm thinking, and probably see some upside. We can always see some downside. You never know. Maybe it was a fake out. The market's super speculative, so it's kind of hard to say. But again, seeing some positivity today, and that's a good thing. Also, Ethereum starting to pick up as well. Was definitely concerned about Ethereum because it was making some nasty patterns and people weren't feeling so good about it. But Ethereum also seeing some positive price action today, creating a nice bull flag also on the 7-day indicator that, again, if Bitcoin wants to run, Ethereum will probably want to follow it. It just tends to be how the narrative goes. Not always the case, but tends to be how it goes. So again, something to pay attention to, something to keep your eye on, and something to be looking at. But without further ado, guys, let's talk about some Turbo because that's what you guys are here for. And again, guys, Turbo has been performing super nicely over the course of really since February, guys. February has been running really nice since February. As you guys can see on the 3-day right here, Turbo chart is looking insanely good, right? Like it's been performing really good. So, and we talked about the fact that these AI coins are going to be pretty big. I do think Turbo can hit in the billions, to be honest with you guys. But again, that's just a price prediction, not a financial advisor. Like I said, I can't tell you guys how high, it's ultimately going to go or when to sell or when to buy or anything like that. Because again, it could easily go back down. The market is speculative, but dude, I mean, compared to how it's been performing in the past, I mean, I think that Turbo has a good chance of performing well in the future. And one thing that I like about Turbo too is just the community. The community is super strong on Turbo, as you guys could see over here on Twitter. They have 105,000 people following them on Twitter, and the community is just super bullish. They're super active. These guys are always sharing stuff, liking comments and stuff like that, and that's what you want to see from your community. You want to see people engaging. You want to see people sharing stuff. As you guys could see, they're starting to do stuff where you could like earn turbo coin and stuff like that just by creating your own AI generated memes in the Turbo app. And as you guys could see, a lot of people have been creating some amazing content already for Turbo. Like Turbo community is super creative, and I enjoy watching these guys content. Even when I come on here, I'm like always scrolling through the comments and like seeing what kind of art these guys are creating and stuff like that. I like to share it, and sometimes you might even see it featured on the channel. As a matter of fact, the thumbnail, and for this thumbnail, I used some of the artwork from a creator on here as well. So again, a lot of people in the community that are just looking to build and grow and collaborate and stuff like that. So that's what you want out of your community. And again, every time I see these guys, they're always rating posts and stuff like that. And again, they're seeing some fantastic growth. Let's also check out their Telegram. I haven't been their Telegram in a minute, but as you guys can see, they just hit 15,000 people in their Telegram. They also just hit 50,000 holders, and they also just got over 100K not too long ago here on Twitter. So, in my opinion, Turbo is looking pretty good, man. I'm liking the movement. You know, it's slow and steady right now. Yeah, only up 5%. But I feel good on Turbo. I do think that this thing, if it does want to break out, it could see a big breakout. It's going to cause a lot of FOMO. As you guys could see, we just crossed that $700 million market cap. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that Turbo is going to go to the moon? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, guys, if you want to come join me in my private Telegram, I'm going to leave a link for you guys in the comment section. I also got my Patreon for those of you guys that are looking for the exclusive content and stuff like that, to know what I'm looking at, as well as to know um, just everything in crypto, really, guys, from the basics to the most advanced, trying to take you guys to the next level. It's a great place to do that, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.